Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy spinach dip. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 ounces of frozen spinach or 1 pound of fresh spinach, along with 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 2 cloves of minced garlic. These form the delicious base of our dip. Proper spinach preparation is key to a thick, creamy dip. If you're using frozen spinach, make sure it's completely thawed. Then, it's crucial to squeeze out as much water as possible. You can use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels for this. For fresh spinach, simply sauté it in a pan until it wilts down, then drain and squeeze out the moisture. This step prevents a watery dip. Now for the fun part, mixing everything together. In a large bowl, combine your softened 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Add the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a pinch of onion powder, salt, and pepper. Finally, fold in your perfectly drained spinach. Mix until all ingredients are evenly distributed and creamy. Once your dip is thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. It's essential to refrigerate the dip for a minimum of 2 hours. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to fully develop and meld together, resulting in a richer, more cohesive taste and a firmer texture. Serve your delicious creamy spinach dip with your favorite dippers and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.